Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your KuCoin Google Authenticator. First, open the KuCoin website or app and log into your account. Then, find the security settings. You'll need to locate the option to disable or reset your Google Authenticator. This usually involves a verification process to confirm your identity, so be ready with your email and other security details. It's a straightforward process to regain access. If you've lost access and can't log in, select the 2FA unavailable option on the login screen. You'll then need to provide your trading password and an email verification code sent to your registered email. Following this, you must complete identity verification by uploading photos of your ID and a selfie. This ensures only you can access your account and helps protect your assets. If you were smart and saved your Google security key during the initial setup, this step is much easier. You can use that key to rebind the Google Authenticator to a new device. Simply open your Google Authenticator app, choose to add a new account, and enter the security key manually. Once linked, the app will generate a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds, which you'll use to log into KuCoin. Remember, for your security, KuCoin disables withdrawals for 24 hours after any changes to your two-factor authentication settings. Also, make sure your Google Authenticator app's time is correctly synced with Google servers to avoid invalid codes. This helps maintain the integrity of your account. And speaking of fresh starts, if your car needs a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Always prioritize saving your security key for future recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.